I don't know, dude. Let's start this. Let's start the intro first. You starting it? You want me to start it?
I thought we all fucking did this.
Did we?
Good job, Scotty. Good job. You just 5 minutes, just gone. Who cares? Woo! I'm Tony. This is Scott. This is Scared City Productions. That just happened. We are coming to you today. We have got another cereal from Funko.
Yep. But, hey, we gotta be careful. We can't say his name too many times.
Quiet, you.
I'm gonna say it once.
Yeah.
Beetlegeist. Beetlegeist.
Stupid! You're so
He likes
stupid!
y'all's models.
Yeah.
Beetlegeist.
Alright, so the last weird colored box that we had it was Elvira, it was black. That's terrible. Trash is no good. This man just spit all over me.
Yeah!
It's not geared for people to
Eat.
I guess. You like it now?
Once it soaks into the milk, like, oh, what the f was that? Well, no, it turned the freaking milk black.
So
Even the milk is rough after this.
It tastes like dog crap.
And in case you don't know what that is, that's poop
yeah.
on a stick.
Yeah.
Poopsicles! Might as well just put that in the plate.
Yeah. Because we're about to eat this shit up.
That's what it was. But anyway.
So I'm gonna try to hopefully not. That's not gonna work. We're just gonna.
You gonna cut me in the face? That's what you look like you're trying to do.
Dude,
like
you
you're
know.
trying to cut me in the face.
You didn't bring your good knife, did you?
No. What, you don't know how to use a knife?
Man.
You got that knife finger?
Yeah, dude,
Got my finger knife.
I got that knife finger. You didn't destroy it too good.
Good job.
Awesome!
Alright, so first things first, I am going to get out our little figure.
Figure! Pretty green.
It is very green.
Super green.
Ew,
So,
gross.
open that up real quick. So, I mean, I think that I'm spot on when, and this dude's gonna stick his whole face up in me.
Smells pretty good.
Does it?
Not bad.
So, I'm pretty positive that
I was
This
kind
is
of negative, but
all about collectability, for the box, the cereal, the whole 9 yards.
I do like the green.
The figure is pretty cool. It's got a lot of detail,
Pretty cool.
so we'll stick that up there, right on out there.
I think you just turned into Miley Cyrus. That's pretty cool.
So I'm just gonna get a little bit in there.
Yeah, a bit in there. Yeah, right around right now.
All right, so let's try this thing dry, shall we?
That's what she said.
No lube whatsoever.
You're a pervert.
I mean, I don't know, dude.
Nom 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 nom. Oh, nom 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 nom.
Tastes like black. Tastes like what the color black would be.
Awesome!
It's not as bad as the black one. It's got a decent aftertaste.
I'm telling you.
It's got the initials. It's a little sweeter when you first try it. Then that goes away. like immediately.
I'm telling you, every single one of these is the exact same flavor, just different colors.
I think you're probably right, except whatever dye they use for the black one.
Oh yeah, I killed it.
Dude, it murdered that taste.
Oh yeah.
So,
Oh yeah! I'm gonna choke on the cereal one.
And of course, we've got to try this thing with a little miak.
I need a little bit more syrup.
This man said he's eating today on Scott's Dollar.
Oh yeah. You know it. What's that like? $10 a box? Oh, I'm eating some.
So yeah, let's get into that real quick. I actually, let me see here. Which place did I purchase this from? No, I got this from Box Lunch. This was, I think Box Lunch is actually an offshoot of Hot Topic. It's got its own website.
Box Lunch.
Yeah, Box Lunch.
That's not a sticker. That's on a box. So it's Box Lunch.
Yeah. So, and we have another one that's from a different website as well. We're going to try that in another video. But this one was right at $10 or $11 a box. Again, this is not for your everyday, cereal, breakfast, meal. This is literally, I think, specifically to display, and that's it. I mean, now I will say this. I do think, and I've seen a lot of these things for sale, and they have been selling for almost what the box is going for.
Oh yeah.
So if you take that into consideration, if you're planning on trying to get some of your money back, the box isn't as that expensive as what you think it is. But me, I sell all this, almost 90% of the things that I purchase and that we get, signed, stuff like that. I only keep a handful of items. But saying that, it is not ideal to purchase this to consume on a daily basis.
I mean, it's edible. You can.
Yeah.
But it's your money.
Unless if you're rich. Then
maybe I just got them kind of ducats, bro.
If you got them ducats,
maybe I just like throwing out $10 for a box of cereal. Saying, caution to the wind! $10 box of cereal day.
Have you tried this shit?
No, I was going to see if it made the water any different kind of colors, but so far...
It might be light.
It's a light green. It's a light green. Very, but it ain't nothing like that black.
So much better. So much better. It actually enhances the sweetness with that milk. You agree?
Very much. Very much.
This one's by far better wet.
I have to say it's the best one we've done so far.
I agree with you on that one. Now,
I don't know, man. If this dude right here be bringing the cereal, I'll say his name 5 times.
Yeah.
6 times.
Beetlejuice.
Oh!
What the fuck was that?
Oh! He came at you, bro. Oh, look out.
That kind of got me. I don't know. Man, if he comes in my dream tonight, y'all.
It ain't Freddy, bro.
I'll tell you all about it in the next video.
Maybe.
Yep. Oh, he ain't give me like that.
You gonna be shake, Sonora, shake your body light. What's gonna happen?
Yep. I'm gonna finish
Okay, I believe it. What?
I'm actually gonna finish this one.
Yeah, that's pretty good.
Nom, 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 nom. Oh, nom, 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 nom.
I kinda dig it.
So it does lightly turn the milk
Dig
green.
it. Yeah.
So,
But no, it's nothing like the black one.
no. I think that kind of shoots the theory of it's all the same. What do you think?
I don't know.
It's got the same the texture and everything, it's a little sweeter. Like, that one is sweeter right off the bat. The aftertaste on all three, I think, weren't bad. This one by far is the best that we've tried. The packaging, again, I think Funko, they go above and beyond their packaging. I think that sells probably more of these boxes than anything else. But again, I think it's just because of collectability and these little figures. America and everywhere else in the world is just going absolutely special, crazy over these little figures. Not just the little size alone, but the actual full-size Funko figures and all that. That man took it to the house.
Took it to the head, draws like a pencil.
But packaging,
Milk's good afterwards too.
packaging is on point. You know, if I'm going to scale it out of 1 out of 10, I'm going to give this one probably about a 7.5 to 8. The figure itself, probably one of the better figures.
Oh yeah.
The figure is, I'm going to say, is probably somewhere around an 8 or a 9 out of the 10. And then the cereal itself.
Oh yeah.
Oh
yeah.
I'm going to give the cereal, I'm going to say that's at least a 6 or a 7. That one's quite good.
Definitely the best one we've had so far.
Best one we've had so far. But I don't want to, there's other cereals that we're planning on trying. We don't want to give it the highest ranking.
I don't know, I'll give it 11. It's pretty good. Maybe a 4, and then another 4, and then 4 more 4s. That's like 6. I do math.
Duh, he did.
No, I'm high on the cereal right now, bro. I can't even, what?
It was very good. It was very good. I'm trying to get the Jason Voorhees one. So that one,
you could actually say it comes as little hockey pucks, but they're still going to be little round things.
Yep. The product, really good.
Super good.
I got this one at Box Lunch.
Box Lunch!
There's other places that you can get these, not this specific one.
Isn't that what Jay calls Silent Bob?
You don't tell me.
No, he calls him Lunchbox.
Yeah. But Hot Topic has got, not necessarily this one, but you've got Box Lunch, Hot Topic, FYE, and then of course Amazon and eBay is where you can find these. And they're going to range. They're going to be different. You buy them on eBay, and if they're not available at any of the other retailers, you're probably going to pay about $30 a box.
That's just to get you eat on, y'all. Come on.
That's just to get the product to you. That doesn't necessarily mean that it's going to be in, you know, the greatest condition whatsoever, because most of the folks on eBay don't know how to pretty much package anything.
Yeah.
But those are kind of the ballpark of where you can find this stuff at. Again, you're going to range anywhere from $10 to about $30 a box. But very pleased with this one. And
my mouth says yum.
we're gonna kind of switch gears for just 1 second. We have, of course, our haunted house called Scared City Haunted House. We have new merchandise.
Ooh!
Yeah, we have new merchandise available. You'll be able to see it on the little link down below. Make sure you give that a little check out. And we're also working on our feature-length film with Santiago Cirillo, which we have merchandise for that available as well. So if you check those out and you do purchase something, you'll actually be supporting us. It allows us to do all the things that we like doing.
Horrifyingly stupid things like this.
Yeah, so it supports us, allows us to continue to keep doing things that we love doing. Also gets to put out, videos such as this, and making movies and a lot of other things. So we appreciate any support that we get from y'all.
Because we are totally supported by viewers like you.
Yeah. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, I mean, right now is the time to do it.
Did you say the chime?
It's the time.
Ding! It's the chime to do it.
It's the chime to do it. So
pork steak.
Yeah. Ding. Pick up pig feet. Pick it up.
Mouse ground. Pick it up.
Yeah. Right now.
Trust me. There's gonna be more stupidness.
Oh yeah.
I don't know why I pointed at y'all. Y'all can be stupid if you want to. I'm gonna here. And then,
Oh, there it goes back on again.
yeah. So,
But
you help support us so that we can put some of this stuff out here, bring new things. Your support actually helps us with the movies that we make, the shorts that we make, the pants that we make, and the shirts that we make. But also helps us to be able to go to other cons, stuff like that, to get these interviews, get private signings, bring y'all stuff that we get signed, and get you items as well.
Just for supporting us, we just pretty much like a thank you. So any support we get, we're going to give back as well. So again, this is Scott with Scared City Productions. This is Tony. We've got other great videos coming your way. We'll talk to you real soon.
I know what you think. Does Dean Winchester stand in front of you? No, but I'm that sexy. You like what you see? Go check out some more stuff.